Hey guys, have you ever wanted to make your life look like one of those Pinterest picture perfect boards with the perfect calendar and the perfect life? I'm here to show you kind of how to do that, but make it your own way and make it very unique to you. So I'm going to show you how to do a bullet journal. There are 5 main steps to creating a good bullet journal, and we'll start with a layout of your pages for the month that you are creating, and then you finish with the perfect little journal for you to create and use each and every day. So the most commonly asked question is, what do you use for a bullet journal? So I typically use a mechanical pencil. I use micron pens. They're thin and they're light and it's really nice to use. I use Muji black pens as well. They're also thin and light. They smear a little bit, so you have to be careful, but they come out really nice. And then I have these Tan Mitt fine brush, but also thin brush pens that you can use. So then, what next? So you have to use your bullet journal, obviously, and then you start to figure out what pages you want to use. So typically, I have a title page, I have a mood tracker, a habit tracker, a calendar layout, a budget page for all my spending, a sleep tracker, and a weekly layout. So how each week is going to look, kind of like a planner, but adding to it so that I have the perfect mix of not only taking care of myself, but also taking care of what I need to do each and every day. So then you outline it all in pencil. So for example,
tonight, making it easy to see, but tomorrow you might not still be with me. Tonight, you're making it easy to say, but tomorrow I might not feel the same way. With all these things you do, makes me feel so close to you. Today was such a beautiful.
you start to color it in. That way, you've got it all laid out in pencil so that you don't have anything else to do except just color it in and go over it, and you can make it your own and add all the colors that you want. So typically, like, I'll do a color for each month or a theme for each month that goes with that month so that I can kind of follow along in the journal. So then, once you've colored it in, you can make it all about you. You enjoy. So for example, I have a table of contents for my October, and then I have my title page. I have my mood tracker, my habit tracker, and my sleep tracker. I have a layout of the month. Ignore my sticky note to myself. I have the layout of each day of the week, and I've actually started doing a kind of Dutch door trick where I cut the page in half and line it out so that each day I have room to put in stuff, and then I have a space to study, list what I have to study that week, and then self-care, because that's really important too, and then I have any upcoming events. So for example, for Halloween, I have a concert that week, I have a bunch of tests, and I love vines, so I had to include a Vine reference. But you can really make it your own, and you can really kind of style it any way you'd like. Here's, my August, my title page, everything, my mood tracker, my budget, my sleep tracker, my habit tracker. Each thing doesn't have to be the same each month. So as you go on, you figure out what you like and what you don't like, and you can add to it any way you'd like. So I hope you've learned how to make a bullet journal, or at least feel a little bit more confident about creating a bullet journal. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be the most artistic thing ever, but it can be really fun and it can be really great for you to do. Thanks, guys.